So ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. We have to find a root of the equation x cube minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0 by using the bisection method in 6 stages. So again ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, the given function f of x equals x cube minus 7x plus 5. Then I can replace by x by 0. 0 cube minus 7 into 0 plus 5 equal to plus 5 is a positive greater than 0. Then find f of 1. So replace x by 1, 1 cube minus 7 into 1 plus 5. That is 6 minus 7 is minus 1 less than 0. Therefore, f of 0 is positive, f of 1 is negative. The root lies between 0 and 1. The first approximation x1 is 1 by 2 into a plus b. This is a and b. 0 plus 1 by 2 is f of, that is 0.5. Then find f of x1. F of 0.5, that is equal to 0.5 whole cube minus 7 into 0.5 plus 5. You simplify. After simplification, you get so 1.625, which is a positive. And you see the negative in the previous. Yaudo f of 1 is enaito, f of 1 is negative. Therefore, the root lies between 0.5 and 1. Then again I do second approximation. That is x2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.5 plus 1. That is 1.5 by 2 is 0.75. Then find f of x2. F of x2 is equal to f of 0.75, which is equal to 0.75 whole cube minus 7 into 0.75 plus 5. After simplification, we get, so which is equal to 0.17187, which is a positive greater than 0, and previous cell negative bandide f of 1. So f of 1 is less than 0. Andre f of 0.75 is more than 0. F of 1 is less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between. 0.75 and 1. Andre idu a and b. Therefore, second item, third approximation is so x3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.75 plus 1, that is 1.75 by 2 is 0.875. Then find f of x3, that is f of 0.875. So in the f of x, replace x by 0.875, that is 0.875 whole cube minus 7 into 0.875 mark plus 5. Simplification gives, that is f of 0.875, which is equal to, so we get negative minus 0.45507, so which is less than 0. And positive ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The positive ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So f of 0.75 is greater than 0. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, and f of 0.75 is more than 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, f of 0.875 negative, f of 0.75 is so positive. That means the root lies between 0.75 and 0.875. Therefore, the fourth approximation is, x4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.75 plus 0.875. So divided by 2 after simplification. So we get 0.8125. Find f of x4. F of x4 is, so f of 0.8125, which is equal to 0.8125 whole cube minus 7 into 0.8125 plus 5. So which is equal to f of 0.8125 simplification is, so we get minus 0.15112, which is less than 0. Previous cell positive ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? So positive ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ? F of. So f of 0.75 is positive. Therefore root lies in between. So therefore, so the root lies between 0.75 and 0.8125. Then you find x5. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ? The fifth approximation. They're asking sixth. Therefore, the fifth approximation is x5 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b. 0.75 plus 0.8125 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.7812. Find out f of x5. That is f of 0.7812, which is equal to x cube. That is 0.7812 whole cube minus 7 into x. So 0.7812 plus 5. Therefore, f of 0.7812 is equal to, simplification gives, it is plus 0.00799, which is positive. ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 0.7812 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದು? 0.8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 0.8125 is negative. Okay, therefore this is positive and negative, therefore root lies between. So 0.8125 and 0.7812, therefore the root lies between 0.7812 and 0.8125. Therefore, the sixth approximation, x6 is equal to 1 by 2 into, so 0.7812 plus 0.8125. You add this and divide by 2, we get 0.7968 after roundup. Therefore, the required, they're asking sixth approximate. Therefore, the required approximation is 0.7968. 0.7968. Okay. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ in terms of logarithmics and trigonometric functions. The final answer. Next question. Find the positive real root of the equation x log x, the base is 10, equal to 1.2 using bisection method in 4 iteration. ನೋಡಿ 4 iterations ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, the 4 stages ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, the 4th approximate ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. So anyway we can calculate this. I need compulsory the scientific calculators. Okay, so in solution f of x is equal to, I can write x into log x the base 10, the 1 point to bring into left side, minus 1 point. So next, so I cannot take 0 because it is 0, log 0 is minus infinity. Therefore I can take 0. I will take 1 also, log 0, f of 1 it is log 1 is 0 minus 1.2 equal to minus 1.2, which is negative. Then I can find f of 2, that is 2 into log 2 the base 10 minus 1.2. You simplify by using scientific calculator, 2 log 2 base 10. So minus 1.2, which gives minus 0.598, which is negative less than 0. Okay, so next you find f of 3. F of 3 is 3 into log 3 the base 10 minus 1.2. Again you can simplify 3 log 3 base 10 minus 1.2, which is equal to 0.2314, which is positive. Therefore, so you can see of 2 is negative and f of 3 is positive. So I get one positive and negative, consecutive positive and negative, or negative and positive. So therefore the root lies between 2 and 3. The root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, then you can calculate the first approximation. The first approximation is x1 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b, equal to 1 by 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2 is 2.5. Then find f of x1 is f of 2.5. So which is equal to so 2.5 into log 2.5 the base 10 minus 1.5. So you can simplify, so you get so minus 0.2051, which is negative. Positive ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ and f of 3 is positive. F of 2.5 is negative, f of 3 is positive. Therefore the root lies between, so what is that, 2.5 and 3. 2.5 and 3. Therefore the second approximation, is x2 is equal to half into 2.5 plus 3. So which is equal to, so what is that, 5.5 divided by 2, so which is equal to 2.75. Okay, then you find f of x2. Then you find f of x2, which is equal to f of 2.275. So which is equal to x log x, that is 2.275 into log 2.275 the base 10 minus 1.2. So therefore f of 2.275, which is equal to, after simplifications we get 0.008, which is positive. So you see that previous negative ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, so ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2.5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2.5 is negative, ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of 2.275 greater than 0 and f of 2.5 less than 0. Therefore the root lies between the root lies between the 2.5 and 2.275. Next, you find the third iteration or third approximation. That is x3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.5 plus 2.275. So after simplifications, we get 2.625. Then find f of x3 is equal to f of 2.625, which is equal to x log x minus 1.2. That is 2.625 into log x 2.625, the base 10. So minus 1.2. You simplify. So to f of 2.625, which gives minus 0.10, that is less than 0, and find out the positive value. So positive ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So the positive f of 2.25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ and f of 2.275 greater than 0. Therefore the root lies between ಯಾವುದು. So 2.625 and so 2.275. So therefore the fourth approximation ಏನದು x4 equals 1 by 2 into 2.625 plus 2.275. So which is equal to 2.6875. So they're asking only the four iterations. I can stop it here. Therefore the required approximate value is ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2.6875. So I'll give some exercise ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ. ಗೋಕುಲ್, ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಇ, ಲಾಗ್ ಬೇಸ್ 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ the root of the equation f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x plus 1 using bisection method, perform 5 iterations. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 5 ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 ವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. x log x base 10 minus 102 equals 0 in 4 stages. ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ 4 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇನ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್. 5 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 x2 x3 x4 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 9x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0, ಸೊ ಇನ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಗೋಕುಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಾ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಈ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದು. ನೋಡಿ, 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, 5 ಜನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ನಾಳೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ 11 o'clock ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಾಳೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪದ್ಮಾವತಿ, ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್, ಓಕೆ. ಕೀರ್ತನ, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಓಕೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ.